Hello everyone, welcome back. As in the previous class, we have completed the areolar connective tissue. Today in this class, we will study the type of another or you can say another type of the connective tissue, which is adipose connective tissue. So now let us start with today's session. We will study in detail about the adipose connective tissue. So adipose means what? Adipose is a Latin language word, adips. It arises from a Latin language word adips, and which means fat. So what is adipose? Adipose is here, the main feature is here, it is a fat storing tissue. It is here a fat storing tissue. And if we talk about the characteristics of adipose tissue, means what are the shape of the cells, then if we talk about the shape of the cell, then their cells are oval or spherical, large sized, containing fat globules. Cells are oval, spherical and large in size because they contain the fat globule, and hence the cells are called the adipocytes. Adipo means fat and cyte means cell. So fat containing cells, they are called the adipocytes. Am I clear? And cells, adipose tissue contain which type of cell? The fibroblast and macrophages. The fibroblast, these are the types of the cell. Fibroblast as macrophages, and as we have studied in the areolar connective tissue, fibroblast form the fiber and macrophages, they help in the phagocytosis, means eating of the large sized particle. And the third one is adipose tissue contain white fiber and yellow fiber. Okay, white fiber and yellow fiber. And fourth one, if fat globule occur singly, अगर फैट ग्लोब्यूल है वो सिंगल होता है, तो सिंगल फैट ग्लोब्यूल कौन सा है? सिंगल फैट ग्लोब्यूल इज कॉल्ड व्हाइट fibrous adipose tissue. And number of adipocytes contain called yellow adipose tissue. Am I clear? These are the characteristics. Again I am repeating. Cells of the adipose tissue are oval, spherical and large sized. They contain the fat globules and that's why they are called the adipocytes. Adipose tissue contain the fibroblast and the macrophagy cell. Adipose tissue contain white fiber and the yellow fiber. White fiber how? If there is present single adipose tissue and if there are present number of adipose tissue, then in that case we can say yellow adipose tissue. Next one is occurrence. Means where these adipose tissue they are located. So they are located below the skin, between the internal organs, around blood vessels and kidneys, beneath the eyeball, beneath or under the eyeball. Okay, again I am repeating bache, these are located between the skin, below the skin, between the internal organs, around the blood vessels and kidneys and under the eyeball. And if we talk about the animals, then in the hump of camel and bladder of, ये यूरिनरी ब्लैडर नहीं है, एयर ब्लैडर है, इन द एयर ब्लैडर ऑफ फिश. Am I clear? So simply if you have to draw the diagram, then this is the simple structure of the adipose tissue which I am going to draw. So cells जो आपको बनानी है, cells they are generally oval shaped. Okay, and also you have to represent here the white fiber, which occur in the groups, and the yellow fiber. Okay, and the yellow fiber. So again if you label it, this is the adipocytes, white fiber, and this one is yellow fiber. Am I clear? And also fibroblast, you have studied fibroblast, they are oval in shape, and amoeboid shape, they are the macrophages. So in this way you can easily draw the diagram. And the last one, if we talk about the function, you have to, I have less space here, so in your notes you can write in detail. The first one, storage. So what you will write in the storage? Storage, it helps to store the reserved fat in the form of fat globule. So that's why it helps in the storage of the fat. Adipose tissue help in the storage of the fat. Second one is act as insulator. Insulator means adipose tissue, they are the fat storing cell, so they help the animals, or you can say they act as insulator in some of the animals. They protect the animals from the heat. Am I clear? So if they, as they protect the animals from the excess of the heat, so that's why they act as the insulator. And third one is the, they you can say they form shock absorber. Shock absorber. Shock absorber, why? Because they are present under the sole of our skin, sole of our feet, and in different body part. They also help the human to absorb the heat. So that's why, and also you can say help in the absorption of the heat. So that's why they act as the shock absorber. And the fourth one is they also adipose tissue. आपने ऑब्जर्व किया है कि कुछ एक पर्सन्स में क्या होता है, टमी जो होती है ब्लोटिंग टमी होती है ना, तो ब्लोटिंग टमी होती है, कुछ एक में फ्लैट होती है. तो as they are present below the skin, so they help to provide shape to the body. They provide shape to the body. So these are the main functions. Let's take a recap. We have discussed today the adipose connective tissue, its origin, the characteristics, and then occurrence means where they are located, then how to draw the diagram, and finally we have studied the functions of the adipose connective tissue. So this was all about today's session. With this again, thanks to all.